Thank you for joining us for this week's episode of Mimaki Master Studio. Today, we'll be creating a poster using the Mimaki UCJV300 series printer. For this application, we'll be using Mimaki LUS 170 inks on a rose gold film. We'll start by creating the design in our software and arranging it on the artboard. To achieve the effect we are going for, we will identify objects that will be printed with white ink, assigning them a single color, such as cyan, that will be replaced later. Next, we will create a path around all of the artwork to serve as the half-cut line. Using raster-link tools, we can easily register the paths as cut lines. Once we've organized our print and cut objects, we are ready to load the finished graphic into our raster-link software. Using raster-link's monocolor replacement feature, we can quickly select all the objects we assigned cyan to earlier and replace them with a white fill. The UCJV prints the file and then performs all the cut functions automatically. Our poster is now ready to be removed from the UCJV and installed. Its iridescent finish using Mimaki inks is sure to attract attention. For more information on the UCJV300 series and detailed application guides, visit mimakiusa.com. And be sure to follow us on social media. Join us next time for Mimaki Master Studio.